Hello students, today I have come to tell you all about an important topic which is global warming. In today's world where global warming is increasing rapidly, it is very important for everyone to be aware of it. So to start with, the earth is covered with ozone layer. Children, do you know what is ozone layer? Ozone layer is a layer that covers the earth and acts as a protective cover from the harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun. So, in short, the ozone layer protects the earth from ultraviolet rays which are harmful. This layer also maintains the temperature on the planet to let life sustain. Recently, the world has changed the balance of the ozone layer and the planet. Over the few decades, planet Earth has heated up a lot. This is known as global warming. As we now live in the age of development, there are factories all over the world that emit harmful gases. These gases create holes in the ozone layer. These holes allow the harmful ultraviolet rays to come inside and heat the planet. There are several reasons for global warming and climate change. The main reason is the greenhouse effect. You know what is greenhouse effect, children? First, we have to know that where did this greenhouse effect term came from? In cold countries where it is a problem to grow plants and vegetables due to the cold temperature, greenhouses are built. It is a house made of glass and inside it crops, vegetables, etc. are grown. Now the rays of the sun enters through the glass and the heat is absorbed by the plants and the soil. And the heat gets trapped in the greenhouse as it can't go out of it. And this heat helps in the growth of crops. In the same manner, the sun's rays enter the earth's atmosphere, but the heat can't go out as it is trapped between the earth and the ozone layer by greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, chlorofluorocarbon, etc. And it makes the earth warmer. This is known as greenhouse effect. Greenhouse gases come into the air in several ways. Some of them are gases emitted from factories, smoke released by vehicles, and burning of fossil fuels. Deforestation is also a reason as cutting down trees leads to more carbon dioxide in the air. These all are reasons for global warming. As a result of global warming, the ice caps and glaciers are melting around the world, which is leading to an increase in the sea level. Many islands have submerged due to the rising water levels. Climatic changes due to global warming cause many people to die due to heat strokes caused by heat waves, droughts, etc. Global warming also causes many natural disasters such as forest wildfires, floods, etc. So, children, do you understand how badly we are getting affected due to global warming? There are a few things that we can do personally to help reduce global warming. We can consider some modes of transportation like walking, cycling, and using public transport or pool cars, which will reduce the emission of gases. Try to plant as many trees as you can. These are some of the things that we can do as an individual. Hope you all came to know more about our earth and its environment. Thank you children for watching the video.